Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the Aptus Design Group IFAK. I have already reviewed a product from this company on the channel before. I'll post a link up in the corner so you can check that video out. I did their LVAK. It's their low visibility aid kit. It's meant to be more concealed around the ankle or around your waist, or it's a really nice carrier system that can be thrown in a pouch, in a pack in the vehicle, so you have an aid kit on you. But today we're talking about their IFAK. So I reached out to this company and asked them if I could do a review on this. No affiliation between the company, no perks for me having this. If you watch this video or buy one, I'll just post a link to their website down in the description if you want to check them out. The reason I'm sharing this with you is this is my favorite IFAK I've ever used. So through the years I've used a few. The first one I was ever issued was a pouch like this. Plastic buckle on the front, pretty bulky when you put it on. The buckle's not the quickest thing to get open with gloves on, but it's doable. And it has your traditional carrier with a bungee system inside to pull out and get to the contents. The newest one I've been issued is a lot nicer. It works kind of like the Aptus Design Group. It opens from both sides. You open it up. You can simply pull out the carrier system, bungee cord to hold it so you don't lose it, and all your contents inside. What I don't like about this is the footprint. So where it is nice and thin compared to the other pouch, it takes up a lot of real estate. When you're throwing this on a chest rig, plate carrier, whatever you're wearing, you're not going to have a lot of room for other pouches. If you put it on the front of you, you do not want to put this on the back. It needs to be easily accessible. So that's why I don't like this one. So before we dive into theirs, a little bit about the company. It is veteran owned and operated. They're located up in Knoxville, Tennessee. This is designed by operators, not in a manufacturing facility, from people that have never used it. The guys that designed this have used many solutions over the years and didn't care for them and decided to design their own that works for their mission set, and they did a great job. So let's go ahead and dive in real quick and check out what's inside this IFAK. Now, with the Aptus Design Group IFAK, you've got a couple different options. The way the back's set up, you can wear it with a belt, or you can use MOLLE to attach it to your kit, or you can use their optional, it doesn't come with it, you gotta buy it separate, but they call it their FUPA, their underhang system. And what this does is you can attach this to the bottom of your kit, and I'll post some pictures of how I've been carrying it, and it literally hangs under your plate carrier. It leaves all the real estate of MOLLE for all your other pouches you want to put on, and pretty much goes in a place where nothing is already, and it doesn't get in the way at all. In the way it swings as you bend, move, climb over things, it moves with you, and it's readily accessible on the front of your person. All right, so on the bottom, you've got either a soft tee or a cat tourniquet come with it, however you order it, and it goes nicely in the bungee material on the top or bottom. You could also put a set of shears or a seatbelt cutter or anything you want to fit in the top. On the back here, you've got the MOLLE. It comes with a nice hard plastic buckle on the back. On the side, you got this nice little loop set up. The loops stick out, it's ambidextrous from both sides, and you can grab it from either side and pull it out of the tube. It's got a piece of Velcro on the back and on the inside to hold it in place so it doesn't slide out. When you open up the quad fold design, you get to all your contents. On this side, you've got a nice little clear window where you can put a casualty card. They don't ship one with it just in case you use your own at your unit. They're easy to print out. All right, inside, you've got two things of compressed gauze. You've got one pack of combat gauze. You've got one elastic wrap, one set of rubber gloves. It ships with a tape board And you get your halo chest seals. The retention system itself does come out. All right, so a couple other things to note about the carrier. Inside, you've got a couple elastic loops, and these are for you to put some form of marker so you can mark on your casualty card, and also a chest decompression needle. They do sell chest decompression needles on their website, but you have to prove that you've had some form of training before they'll send one in your IFAK or sell you one individually, and it makes sense. Why would you just send anybody a chest decompression needle when they don't know how to use it? It cause more damage than good at that point. Another thing with the quad fold is it can be used when you get done filling out the casualty card. You can slide it back in the protective sleeve. You can actually wrap the quad fold around the casualty's arm, their ankle, or you could even hang it from their kit somewhere, so their casualty card is protected and medical personnel can see it when they arrive. Another thing with this, if you already own an LVAK or you want to get one of these LVAKs, you can actually use the LVAK as the carrier inside the quad fold, and it fits perfectly. It's about the same footprint when you fill it up with all the contents. So if you want to use this sometimes and then use the IFAK when you got your kit on, you could just use this as the carrier. So that's a pretty neat option. If you check out their website, they have a lot of different options for you. You can buy the IFAK with a soft T tourniquet. They sell the cat tourniquets. You can buy the IFAK empty if you have your own contents and want to put in, or they can sell it to you loaded. They've also got a few other pouches and things coming in the works right now, as well as their LVAK and other contents. So check them out and let me know what you guys think. Do you run an IFAK on your kit? If so, what kind? What's your favorite IFAK? And have you checked these guys out? Let me know what you think about the product. I'd be interested to hear your thoughts. If you liked the video, please help support the channel by clicking that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification to get notified when we put out new content. And as always, we'll see you on the next one.